Restock, we will have restocks of the Air Jordan 1 UNC toe. I have a question for you. Did you cop the UNC toe Air Jordan 1s? If you did cop, please comment a bunch of fire emojis down below in the comments. If you took the L, if you did not cop, please comment a bunch of trash emojis. I want to see who copped the UNC toe Air Jordan 1s and who did not. You guys still have a chance to get yourself a pair of UNC toe Air Jordan 1s. All you guys need to do is hit that thumbs up. Make sure you guys smash that subscribe button. Leave a comment. Let me know your size. And then DM me proof on Instagram. DannyMoore2369. Take a picture. Take a screenshot. Send me proof that you guys subscribed to my YouTube channel. Good luck. In just a few days, I'll be announcing the winner here on YouTube. So make sure you guys send me that DM on Instagram and get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of UNC toe Air Jordan 1s. Good luck. Outrank Brand's Air Jordan 1 UNC toe collection is live. Make sure you guys click the link down below in the description. Check out Outrank Brand. They drop hype clothing every single week, and it's very limited and sells out very quickly. Every sneaker release, there's a new clothing drop to match it. Make sure you guys check out Outrank Brand, link down below, and use my promo code DannyMoore for 10% off your order. You guys have to hurry because the Outrank Brand collection for the UNC toe Air Jordan 1s is going to sell out very quickly. Make sure you guys are on top of it. Click the link down below and check them out. Thanks, Outrank Brand. Restocks. We will be getting restocks of the UNC toe Air Jordan 1s. Nike never sells out. They will eventually sell out, but Nike still has stock. What does that mean? It means we will see a future upcoming release on the sneakers app again for the UNC toe Air Jordan 1s. Nobody knows when exactly yet, but we will be getting it, and it will happen. Nike has not officially sold out of the UNC toe Air Jordan 1s. They always do this, guys. They always keep stock for a later time. Nike does what they want. They release a certain amount of pairs on release day on the sneakers app. They still have pairs. So if you're willing to wait it out, be patient, you will have a chance of copping the UNC toes for retail directly from Nike. As far as in store, you do have a chance to go in store and catch late shipments. We've been getting late shipments for the past few years at this point. So late shipments are still gonna be a thing on the UNC toes. Stores will receive pairs from Nike later on. It will happen. You guys will have the chance to go in store, and hey, you may come up on a pair. It may or may not be your size. In that case, try to do a size swap if you can, but definitely go ahead and check your stores. I have gotten a few DMs from the Moore family members who have told me that, hey, Danny, they didn't sell out yet. They do have certain sizes in the UNC toes in their location, at their location, in their local sneaker stores. So you guys never know. They may be sitting there. After all, resale is not high, right? Resale is not high. So when a lot of people see that resale prices are not high at all, they'll pass on the sneaker entirely. Even if they like it, we know those people will still pass on it regardless. I'm not one of those people, but there are people out there that like the shoe, they want it, but they see that price drop and then they just pass on it. It is the way it is. People do that. So with that being said, you might be able to see some pairs in your local stores this week, next week. Late shipments are a thing, like I said, so I definitely believe you guys do have a chance still to catch up on a pair of the UNC toe Air Jordan 1s. You guys still have a shot. Now, here's where the best thing possible, the best case scenario can happen for you if you can make connections with employees at your local stores. That's the best thing by far, right? That'll get you the furthest. That'll get you to get a text message or a DM or even a call. Hey, we got this shoe that you want. Come pick up your pair, and boom, you go in store and get it for retail. When they just came in, you'll be right on top of it. So if you can make those connections with the employees, that's the best thing, the best route to go. Be nice about it, right? Be nice, be friendly. If you gotta buy them lunch, buy them lunch. Do what you gotta do, make those connections. Listen, it works. Buying lunch, I know it seems like the small little thing to do. It works, guys. It will help you. I'm telling you, that's a secret. Buy them lunch. Offer to buy them lunch. Thinking about it, right? When you're working, do you really want to go spend money on food? Not really, right? But you have to eat. So if someone comes into the store, you know, they offer you buy your lunch. Hey, hook me up with a shoe. You know, text me, call me if you get a pair. When they're not going for crazy money, they're more than likely going to help you out, right? Because the shoe's not going for much. If these were going $300, $350, $400, it would be a lot tougher to do that because, you know, the person could go make money on it themselves. With this shoe, no, there's not really a lot of money to be made. So you will see a lot of people give them out, you know, hand them out for retail, right? When you go to your stores, these people are gonna help you out. They're more than likely gonna help you out on these because there's not a lot of resale on them. At the end of the day, guys, you are making a connection with the employees, and that's a great way to get into the sneaker game, right? That's a great way to really build connects and really get shoes you want like this for retail. So try to go in store, make those connections with those employees. Managers are the best if you can do that. Hey, it really comes down to who you know in the sneaker game and money. Those are the big two factors in this game, in this world of sneakers. So try to make those connections with your employees and you'll have a greater chance, a much greater chance of actually copping in store when they do get pairs in again. Trust me, guys, stores are gonna receive more pairs. We're not done with the UNC Toe Air Jordan 1. Nike made a crap ton of pairs. Stock was very high. Demand, of course, as we know, was even higher than supply, right? That's why they sold out. But you guys have a chance still because Nike never sells out. Nike never sells out. Stores, yes, for now, temporarily, we will see them back in stores again. It will be tough, right? You gotta know. It's more of if you know type thing when it comes to the in-store restocks. It's not meant for everybody to go line up and know about. Not like release day. Restocks in stores are nothing like release day at all. In fact, if you ask me, it's harder to cop on restocks than it is on release day. Why? Because restocks, for the most part, have less stock available than release day. So good luck on restocks. You guys will have a chance. Also, make sure you guys check out Twitter. There's really good accounts on Twitter, Sneaker Twitter, Soul Links. Any online restocks, those guys tweet it out immediately. You have to be very, very fast on it, and a bunch of people trying to do that because a lot of people have those notifications on. They're on top of it. As soon as it goes live, boom, they click on the link and you gotta try to add to cart. That is a good way to go. I have copped restocks that way before on other sneakers. So definitely check out Twitter. Don't sleep on Twitter. It's good, really good for sneaker releases. It's the only reason I ever had any Twitter. So I do recommend Twitter. I think it'll definitely help you out with these restocks as well. Good luck on restocks of the UNC Toe Air Jordan 1s. We will be getting restocks. Nike doesn't sell out yet. They will eventually be done with them, but trust me, guys, they still have stock of the UNC Toe Air Jordan 1s, and resale's not high. So listen, even if you do not wind up copping for retail at all, even if you're patient, you wait it out, and you still take an L even on restocks, no chance in store, listen, if you still want them, I think paying resale is not a bad idea on this shoe. This shoe right here, I think resale is not bad at all, and I do recommend paying it if, only if, you plan on wearing the sneaker, keeping them, and you want a UNC Air Jordan 1 in your collection. After all, these are the cheapest UNC Air Jordan 1s that are available right now. Well under $250, so it's definitely a solid price. You're getting them for around $220, so it's a really good deal right now, and I do recommend waiting because I think those prices will drop. If you guys haven't seen my video where I wore the UNC Toe Air Jordan 1s for one entire week, make sure you guys go check it out. I'll leave a link up above somewhere. Make sure you guys go check out that video. Make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of the UNC Toe Air Jordan 1s. Like this video, hit that subscribe button, join the Moore family, comment down below your size, and then DM me proof on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. Take a picture, take a screenshot, send me proof that you guys subscribed, and good luck on the giveaway, and good luck, especially on those restocks of the Jordan 1 UNC Toe. Nike never sells out. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the Moore family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.